Hey there everyone, how's it going? I'm Tharun, and in this video we're going to continue on with our CSS series, and in particular we're going to deal with backgrounds and how to handle them. Let's continue. So I have the Atom live server set up and it's running here. So the first thing I would like to do is let's just create a div here and give it an ID of say the body. Okay, and within this div let's just have a paragraph and have a little bit of lorem ipsum code within it, and let's just copy down this, and I need to show you guys something. Okay, so we have it set up, right? So the thing I want to do now is let's just quickly open the style sheet. If you see here, I've already linked the style sheet here, that is style3.css, and I've created one stylesheet.css. Here it is. Let's just open up it, and here we'll be writing the rules for the index3.html, right? So first of all, I would like to give a margin for this div so that I could demonstrate you about the backgrounds. Let's just grab the div quickly. It was called the body, and let's just give a margin right of 300 pixels. So we have the margin there, right? So now I would like to show the background properties in HTML CSS. So let's just quickly grab the body. Actually, you know what, this is the ID for the div, it's not the actual body. This is the actual body, and here we're going to set the background image. You could either set the background color or the background image or both. Okay, I'll just demonstrate to you how both works. So in the images folder, I have an image called pole.png. We're going to use this as a background image, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. So it's placed in images, right? But this CSS is placed inside a CSS folder. Okay, let us just see how the path works. Okay, so we have the body, and within the body I want to demonstrate the background images. Okay, the background could be either colors or gradients or images. Okay, for now let's see how we deal with images. In this images folder I have the pole.png image, and we're going to be using that to set it as a background. So let's see how it works. So the basic in syntax goes like this: background hyphen image colon URL, and here you mention the path. Okay, so within the codes, let us just mention the path. Since the CSS file is within the CSS folder, we would have to go one level up and then into the images folder and grab the pole.png. So let's just go one level up and into the images folder and grab the what is it, yeah, pole.png. Save it. So we get the image appear there. So why does it appear so many times? That is because the original size of the image is only so much, and by default it goes on repeating in the x-axis and y-axis. So what if you wanted to modify this? The first thing is background repeat. Okay, since it's repeating in all directions, background repeat colon, if you type repeat x and save, it's going to repeat only in x direction. The same thing is for y. If you save, it's going to repeat in y direction, right? If you want this repetition to be somewhere else, then what you're going to do is background and position, then you want it to be right, is going to be the right. Okay, so this is how this positioning works. This is how the repeat works. You have other parameters here within the position, like the left, center, right, bottom, top. You could also use right top, hit save, that would do that. So it's like that, it works like that. For now, let's just keep it as right top, because I'm going to demonstrate something here. If you don't want it to repeat, then you have something called no repeat. You hit that, so it just appears once there. Okay, so we have that. Now what happens if I add some more lorem ipsum here, hit save? Do we have enough? Yes, we do. Let me just add some more. Save. We have some more. Now the background image just, it slides over, right? As we scroll down, it just slides over. What if you want it to be fixed there? Yes, that's what you do. You have it fixed there. How do you do that? You do that using background attachment. That is done by background, and you could see there are so many features to explore here. You could explore by your own. Otherwise, I would like here show you some basic things which you would essentially use in every project. So background attachment, and you use fixed, so it's going to stay there, and how much ever you scroll, it's going to stay there. Okay, that is one thing I would want to show. So that is all about the background image being toggled here and there. There is one more small thing, that is a shorthand notation for all of these. So the way you do that is, now if I hit save, nothing comes up, right? So you have a shorthand notation, which is like you could write all of these rules in just one line. The way you do that is background, and let's give some color, okay, and a URL, that is the path for it, that is / images / pole.png, right? And then the third the third attribute would be no repeat, and the position is right top. Hit save, nothing happens. Why? Images pole.png, no repeat. Strange. Let's just remove this. Yes, the color messed it up. Okay, so the color messed it up. Otherwise, okay, just remember this would be the syntax. Okay, background, URL, no repeat, right top. Okay, let me enable the soft wrap. Okay, so this is a shorthand notation. You could like do it in any of the mixed match way, it would surely work. So this is the general idea of the backgrounds. Hope you got it. If you have any doubts, just put them down in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video.